Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to the session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In the previous class, we have seen the VA editor, how to work with the VA editor, what are the various commands in the VA editor, what are the various modes in the VA editor. In the VA editor, as we discussed in the previous class, there are two different modes are there. The first one is the insert mode or append mode, and the second one is the escape mode. Where in the insert mode or append mode, you can add the text or you can type the text or you can insert the text whatever you want. Whereas in the escape mode, only you can type certain commands. That means the editing can be done at the escape mode. Okay. So we need to know some set of the commands in the escape mode. What are the commands that we are going to see? Now we see. See here, first three commands are there. I, A, O. Okay, these three commands and next remaining all the commands whatever I have given are works in the escape mode. That means command mode. You type all these commands in the escape mode only or command mode only. Okay, so after pressing the escape mode, you press I, I and A, these two go to the insert mode or append mode. After pressing O, it opens the new line. So these three commands directly goes to the insert mode. These three commands directly take you to the insert mode where you can add some more text. But some of the commands are there, they won't take you into the insert mode, only you can edit the text whatever you want. What are those commands now? We are going to see. Whatever commands I have written here all will work on the command mode only. Remember, that is the first one. How can you enter into the command mode? After pressing the escape key only. Okay, after pressing escape key. But some of the commands take you from command mode to the insert mode. What are the commands those? These first three commands takes you from command mode to the insert mode. So I, A and O. IA by default are insert mode or append mode, whereas O is one of the new command that also takes you to the insert mode or append mode to enter the text or to open a new line. The next we see in the escape mode, if you press capital A, that takes you the end of the line. And the next one DD, whenever you want to delete a particular line, so you place the cursor at that line and simply press in the command mode DD, the particular line will be deleted. Okay, whenever you want to delete multiple number of the lines, simply you get into the command mode, that means press escape key and simply press 3 and DD, all the 3 lines will get removed. Suppose you want to remove 5, suppose you want to remove 2, whatever it is, first you have to press that number and then press DD, the particular line will be deleted. So the next command is undo last change. Whenever you want to make undoing the changes, simply you press in the command mode small u. Okay, so capital U represents whenever you want to undo all the changes in one particular line, then whatever changes you made in that particular line, all the changes will be undo in the capital by using the capital U command. Okay, so one more, these line deletion commands are what? DD, and undo commands are what? U, and undo in entire line is what? Capital U. Now we are going to see how to delete a word. So how to delete a word, we have one more command in the command mode, is nothing but after pressing simply escape key and place the cursor the word which you want to delete. So then directly type DW, then the particular word will be deleted. Okay, so in the one single word can be deleted with the command. But whenever you want to remove multiple words, so then you have to place the cursor before the word what you want to remove or delete, whatever it is. So simply press that particular number and type DW, all the relevant words will be removed. And next one, you want to change the word in the escape mode, simply CW, this provides you to change that particular word. Okay, so these are the word related commands to remove a word, to change a word. That means existing word will be changed with the newly typing word. Okay, substitution of the existing word with the new word. Okay, so these are the line oriented commands and these are the word oriented commands to delete a word, to change a word, to substitute a word. Now we are talking about the character oriented commands in the command mode. Okay, Character oriented commands in the command mode, first you press simply X at the cursor. You want to delete one particular character, place the cursor just at that character, and the command mode simply press X, the character will be deleted. Okay, one single character. Whenever you want to replace a character, okay, so this replacing a character can be done with the help of a word, with the help of a character called R. That means you place the cursor what you want to replace. Okay, so then simply press S, then the particular character will be replaced with the newly entered character. Okay, and next one is substitute. Suppose you want to substitute in the place of another character, then you simply press yes. So these three are the character oriented commands, these three are the line oriented commands, and these are the word oriented commands, and these are the line oriented commands. Remember, all these commands will work in the command mode only. How to enter into the command mode? By simply pressing the escape key.